Welcome to Career Close-Up, a video series from Silicon Republic in partnership with IDA Ireland, in which our journalists speak to senior professionals in key Sci-tech sectors from across the country to learn more about their journey through the ranks. I'm joined here today by Ilana Smith, Security Product Lead for Microsoft Ireland. So welcome, Ilana. Firstly, can you tell us a little bit about what that role actually entails?
Yeah, absolutely. The Microsoft Security division is responsible not only for keeping Microsoft and our customers safe, but also building products that help our customers keep themselves secure. As a company, we are currently undertaking an initiative we call the Secure Future Initiative. That is a massive effort across the entire company, 35,000 engineers, where we're really focused on raising the security of our products and building out products for our customers.
Having started her 20-plus year software career in Australia before moving to the US, Ilana tells me why Ireland became the right fit for her and her family. Tell me a little bit more about kind of your, career background and what brought you to this role specifically in Ireland.
Because I wanted to build really big, impactful products, at that point, I needed to leave Australia because the United States was really where the big opportunities were for that. And I was able to build software products used by everybody around the world. These days, though, I can do that from Ireland. And so for me personally, Ireland is a combination of a couple of really important factors for me. I get to live in a society that aligns to my values. I get to travel, my family and I get to travel, we get to explore Ireland, we get to explore Europe. I get to work every day and learn from fantastically talented people, and I still get to build big, important software impacting people all around the world from right here in Ireland.
So can you tell me a little bit about, challenges and surprises that you've kind of come across throughout your career here?
About 10 years ago, we have new leadership at the company, and they really championed a cultural change, a move away from that. Our CEO calls it moving from a know-it-all culture to a learn-it-all culture. And I think it was reinforced by the changing nature of the products that we're building. Instead of having to get it right once every 3 years, we now can be learning constantly from our customers, and we can now be shipping constantly as we learn. And so it's really less important that we make the perfect decision every single time. It is important that each day we're learning, we're adjusting. We sort of have permission to get it maybe not perfect that first time, but get it close and then learn and iterate as we go along.
With work-life balance more important than ever, Ilana explains the importance of collaboration and boundaries when it comes to striking that balance.
I have a big team here, so it's super exciting for me to come into the office and to collaborate together with them in person. Sometimes a conversation over coffee or a chance meeting in a hallway can lead to opportunistic conversation or ideas that never would have happened otherwise. But we don't just collaborate with the people here in the building, we collaborate with people in other parts of Ireland and all over the world. And so a lot of our collaboration is virtual, and a lot of it we do from our homes. And I think that interleaving of work and life gives us the opportunity to create a much more sustainable way of working. However, that does require us to have really good boundaries, to be able to set boundaries for ourselves and to be able to respect the boundaries of the people that we work with. I blocked out a chunk of time in the middle of my day yesterday to go and chaperone chess club. And I have a pretty hard boundary at the end of the day because there's some small people who need dinner. I think as a team, we do a really good job of understanding that people have different work styles and being able to be inclusive of that and to make sure that we're respecting the boundaries and figuring out how we can work sustainably together so we can keep doing this for as long as it stays fun.
And if you could tell your past self something, what would that be? We
love it when we have new people to the team who think something is silly and why is it like that? And it causes us to really think about it and wonder, why is it like that? Does it need to be like that? Wait, can we do that differently? And so being inclusive of different experience levels, different worldviews, allows us to really together build something better than before. And so no matter how new someone is, no matter what their background is, they've really got value to bring And so I think that understanding that, maybe I would have been a little less intimidated by the incredible people I've worked with through the years and understood we can all bring something.
Just bringing it back to Microsoft and being here in Ireland, obviously it's a global company, but what is it about Ireland that I suppose is so appealing?
Microsoft has been in Ireland for 40 years. And we have a big, vibrant site here that is an incredible thing to be part of. My team, a few years ago, we were mostly based in the US, and we decided that we wanted to grow internationally, and Ireland was very attractive. I think, between the geography, the language, the government policies, there's lots of reasons that tech companies come to Ireland. And for us, that really meant that locally here, there was an incredibly mature market. We were able to find really talented, experienced people that form the structure of our team. And then because Ireland is an attractive place for people to move, we were able to build out our team with not only fantastic local talent, but also people who wanted to come here from Europe and all over the world. We initially only had plans for a small team here, and we have grown beyond, I think, further than any of us expected, and it was all because we proved we can deliver incredible impact here in Ireland.
When it comes to working in the tech industry, Ilana believes there's no one perfect set of skills.
I wish that everybody deeply considered the chance to work in tech, because I think our opportunity to have massive impact is so incredibly cool and so incredibly exciting, and a wonderful opportunity for everybody, and clearly a growth market for the future that sets someone up for a fantastic career. It sounds incredibly cliched, but I've had the incredible privilege to be excited to come to work just about every single day for the last 20 years.
Ilana, thank you so much for chatting to me today.
Thank you.
To find out more about the Career Close-Up series, be sure to check out siliconrepublic.com.